When you turn the heater on, it comes on. You're hearing it clicking down there. Everything's shaking. Okay, that means we have a bad bypass valve in here. Okay, when you hear that rattling in there, this little piece here is what's rattling. So we're just going to replace that out. There we go. Okay. And the new one will drop right in. You get a rag. There's a little slot it fits in. Okay, and this is your thermostat spring. It was this. Actually this. Now, since we've got it apart, we're going to go and replace that too.